Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to integrate InfluxDB or Graphite into your scripts using a OctoPerf. So we have a feature in JMeter that is backend listener. By using the backend listener, we can get the metrics to our respective servers. So if you want to add those listeners to still in your script, so still we can use those. But the feature of adding the InfluxDB and these features in our scripts in JMeter is to just to get the response times and the to see the monitoring of your test during your execution. So whenever we get the option, same functionality in the OctoPerf, so that's the meaningless to add external monitoring tools. But still, if OctoPerf are given a feature to add the InfluxDB or Grafana or Graphite integration into your script. So if you want to add that, still if you want to use that even after getting the results from the OctoPerf, if you want to add those Grafana and InfluxDB detail backend listener to your existing execution. In the left side of your menu, after going into the runtime, open your respected scenario. After open the scenario, you will have an option external reporting here. So click on the external reporting, and if you click on add external live reporting, you will have an options here: Dynatrace, Datadog, Graphite, InfluxDB. So what features we can add? So if you want to add InfluxDB here, click on InfluxDB. Here you have a URL. So you need to provide the URL of your InfluxDB here. And here you need to provide the token. If there is a validation token which is required to authenticate your InfluxDB, you need to provide the token and with which measurement it want to send. It is in a table name, basically it's a database name of in InfluxDB measurement and the application, what application you want to send it. If you want any specific value, key value tags, you can mention as similar to the JMeter backend listener. And you have 90, 95, 99. So if you have any other values, you can add this value, these values. If you want a detailed information, so you can give the send the details to metrics, and you can give the regular expression of the transaction what you're expecting here. So if you give star dot star, so it will send all the information to your of your script, and it will send if you want only specific kind of thing, you can give your transaction respect to transaction names here. So which will only capture by your Octoperf and send it to Inflexible. And just if you want to add another monitoring tools like Dynatrace or Graphite, so you can give Graphite details here, a host name, port details, and 90%. So same thing we what we use in our basic JMeter. So this is a Dynatrace thing. So Dynatrace URL, API URL, and the token you need to get it from the Dynatrace and what dimensions you want to get it from your test so that we will get everything in your AppD dashboard. Datadog, this is Datadog. So same thing we'll use here. So Datadog details and your credential details, your API key to send the data. These are the features what we can use in OctoPerf apart from your OctoPerf monitoring. You can add external live reporting given by the OctoPerf. So currently it supports four external live reporting tools. So InfluxDB, Graphite, Dynatrace, and data source. So if you want to add any of this information, if any of this tool, so you need to have all the respective information to add into your script, like your host name, credentials, tokens, etc., etc. Thanks for listening this, friends.